Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the 100 Dresses. I together, step by step. Today we read The 100 Dresses, Part 1 by Eleanor Estes. It is about Wanda Petronski, a poor girl with a strange-sounding name, who is teased by her classmates because of a curious claim she makes about her dresses. Wanda Petronski sits in a corner of the classroom and always wears the same faded blue dress. One day she tells the girls she has 100 dresses at home, all lined up in her closet. The girls do not believe her and begin a daily game of teasing her about the 100 dresses. Peggy, the most popular and pretty girl, leads the teasing of Wanda. Maddie, Peggy's best friend, feels uneasy about it because she too is poor. Maddie wants to stop the teasing but stays quiet, afraid the girls might turn on her next. This guilt troubles her deeply. Wanda is a quiet, dignified girl who bears the teasing patiently. Peggy is popular and pretty, but does not realize she is being cruel. Maddie is gentle and aware of the wrong being done, yet her fear keeps her silent, making her a troubled bystander. This part of the story deals with bullying, poverty, and being different. It shows how thoughtless teasing can wound someone deeply. Through Maddie, the story warns us that staying silent in the face of cruelty makes us part of the wrong. We must learn to speak up. Let us learn some new words. Shabby, looking worn out and untidy. Incredulous, finding it hard to believe. Mock, to make fun of someone. And bystander, a person who is present but does not take part. To recap, Wanda Petronski, a poor girl, says she owns 100 dresses and the girls tease her daily. Peggy leads the teasing while Maddie feels guilty but stays silent. The first part of the story shows the pain of bullying and the cost of saying nothing. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.